first have a look MAXHUB Education series. We have 3 different sizes in Education series, which are 65 inches, 75 inches and 86 inches. So this panel has dual operating system. It means it has Android operating system along with Windows operating system. So let's look first how to change the different operating systems. So it has a menu bar from which you can just change the settings. Like currently it is in Android stage. When you click on PC, so it automatically goes in a Windows operating system. Okay, so firstly we will look Android operating system features. So MAXHUB provide different applications like Note, PIP, screen shares, application with the panel. Firstly, we will discuss Note option. Note is a whiteboard application. Just maximize it. We just change the background of the panel. Yeah. So this panel has dual color pen writing option. It means you can write from 2 different colors simultaneously through this passive pen. Like from one tip I select red color and from the another tip I select the different color, and if I write something, so we can just highlight the content. It supports palm gesture, like you can just erase the content through your palm. You can just adjust the width of the rubber eraser. It has lots of ruler options. It has compass, it has a triangular, so you can just adjust, like if you want to draw any angle, so you can, like this. You can draw any line and you can just adjust the length of the scale. Same here with the triangular. You can add multiple of shapes. So it has a 2D and 3D shapes. It has smart mode. So suppose if you draw any circle, so it will correct automatically, and you can just change the different colors. Like this. You can add tables. You can insert row and column as per your requirement. And if you write something in any cell, then the size of the cell automatically adjusts as per the content. You can add reminders in different colors. And if you write something, this canvas has infinite pages, and you write something on first page and you can just write on the infinite pages. And if you want to see what will the content on the first page, so you can just check with the move option. You can zoom in, zoom out the whole canvas. You can undo the all commands. You can add the multiple of pages from here. You can share the whole content in an image form through this barcode from here. It has different functions, like you can export this whiteboard content in different formats, like in image, PDF, SVG and IWB. SVG and IWB are editable MAXHUB proprietary formats. You can store this content on a cloud through Google Drive and OneDrive IDs. You can just change the background colors as per your convenience and add the templates, and you can just customize your background as well as per your logo. So this is about something our note whiteboard application. Now the second feature is multitasking view. So we can just open two different applications on a one display. So we can open 4 simultaneous displays on the panel. Like suppose one application is this note. Second, I open Chrome. So like this, I can open 4 different applications on a one display, and you can just adjust the size of the particular applications as well through this cursor. Okay. Now the third application is, this is our PIP feature, which is picture in picture. In this PIP picture, you can simultaneously open 2 different applications of 2 different operating systems. Like I open Windows Note platform in Android operating system, and now I open Windows operating system. So simultaneously I can run 2 different applications from 2 different operating systems. Like this is my Windows operating system, and I have to open any content in the Windows, so I can run both operating systems simultaneously. Like this. This is our screen sharing feature. So you can just connect individual laptops, PCs, mobile phones through this QR code and this code. And for information, this panel, MAXHUB panel, creates its built-in hotspot. So you don't need any external internet connectivity to connect or to share your content wirelessly. If any teachers want to elaborate any image, so this MAXHUB panel has a crop function. You can just crop any image and you can resize that particular image like this. And it has an insert option. When you click on insert, it will automatically come in a whiteboard. So teachers can elaborate any functions. You can just resize this image. You can flip this image. You can clone this image. Okay. And MAXHUB panel has optical character recognition. It means if you write something, like if you write hello and you select this content, so it has a smart write option. It directly converts your handwriting into the smart font. And if you click on search, then Chrome is open directly and you can search this content in browser without opening. MAXHUB panel has lots of features which is very useful for online video conferencing to attend online classes. Like it has an air class feature, which is a voting feature. So the foreign students can connect on this air class platform and join the class for any question answer session round. So I demonstrate how it's working. So firstly we have to enter the class. So I've started one single choice question answer session round. So I'm connected with my phone with this. Like suppose it's my phone GUI, so it is foreign students GUI, and I choose option A and vote for option A. Then you can see, so 2 persons connected with this air class feature. One is me and one is my friend Sorbi. And when I finish this class, so it will see like we both choose A option, okay, and now teachers has to choose what is the right option. If A will be the right option, then it shows green color, and suppose A was not right answer and B was the right answer, so it shows a red color, okay. Now we can set timers. It has spotlight feature, so you can spot anything, and you can just adjust the zoom and clarity. It has a recording feature, so you can record this panel, and there is no time limit for that recording. It has a stopwatch feature. You can just start it. It has an annotation feature. It means you can just annotate on this panel itself. Like if I have to write something on panel, you can write in a different colors itself. It has a brush option. You can just clean it. You can save this whiteboard content. You can share this content through QR code, through this QR code. You can save this content on a cloud ID. So this is our Windows operating system GUI. MAXHUB provides free of cost software with this Windows operating system. These softwares are Easy Note 5, Note 5, Capture and Connect. So Easy Note 5 Lite is a whiteboard application software. So Easy Note 5 Lite has some educational tools which is very beneficial for students. Like it has a different shapes. It has a lots of functions. It has trigonometrical equation, logarithmic, exponent, power, quadratic and linear equations. You can just check the offset values as well. You can just draw any geometrical shapes. You can fill these shapes with the different colors. You can expand this figure. So students can understand very effectively that what is these shapes. You can collapse this figure and you can rotate these shapes as well. It has planets information, so you can show the planet details. MAXHUB Easy Note 5 Lite has zoom option, so you can just zoom any content that you want to zoom. You can resize this frame. It has snap option. Suppose if you want to cut any image, that you can do.